Formulas and functions in MS Excel. Excel is a spreadsheet program that helps you to collect, refine and analyze huge amount of data. With its powerful interface and even more powerful tools, it simplifies the complex job of maintaining and analyzing data. Formula. Excel is used to calculate and analyze numerical information. However, you will need to know how to write formulas to maximize Excel's capabilities. A formula is an equation that performs a calculation using values in the worksheet. Rules to be followed while using formula. Formulas must begin with is equal to and equal to, symboled followed by values, cell, references, operators. Formulas are not case sensitive, that is A1 plus B1 is the same as A1 plus B1. You can use cell addresses with formula that is A5 plus B5 minus C5, where A5, B5, C5 are cell addresses. Simple formula. A simple formula is one that uses only one arithmetic operator such as the addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Example is equal to B2 plus B3 plus B4 plus B5. Using cell values. Step 1. Type the equal sign in that cell, example F2, where the formula is to be defined. Step 2. Type the numbers of all the subjects and put plus sign in between the subject numbers. Step 3. Press Enter key to complete the formula and see the result in cell F2. B. Using cell addresses. Step 1. Type the equal sign in that cell, example F2, where the formula is to be defined. Step 2. Type the cell addresses to be added. Type the addition sign between each cell address. Step 3. Press Enter key to complete the formula and see the result in cell F2. Similarly, you can calculate the sum of all the students. Copy formulas with the fill handle. Copying formulas to other cells only works if the formula is created using cell references. Step 1. Click on the cell F2 again to make it active cell. Step 2. Place the mouse pointer over the small black box in the bottom right corner of cell F2. Step 3. The mouse pointer will change to a small black plus sign when you have it over the fill handle. Step 4. When the mouse pointer changes to the plus sign, click and hold down the mouse button. Step 5. Drag the fill handle to cell F7 to copy the formula from the cells F2 to F7. Complex formula. A complex formula is one that uses more than one arithmetic operator. Example, you need to create a formula to calculate the percentage that uses multiplication and division operator. Example, B2 into C2 into D2 divided by 100. Step the type the equal sign in cell, example G2, where the percentage is to be calculated. Step type the formula, example F2 into 100 divided by 400. Step 3. Press Enter key to see the result in cell G2. Similarly, you can drag the fill handle to calculate the percentage of all the students. Cell references. The cell address is basically the name of the cell and can be found in the name box. When a cell address is used in a formula, it is called a cell reference. There are 3 types of cell references in Excel: relative cell reference, absolute cell reference, mixed cell reference. Relative cell references. When you copy and paste or move a formula that uses relative references, the references in the formula change to reflect cells that are in the same relative position to the formula. Relative addressing eliminates the tedium of creating new formulas for each row or column in a worksheet filled with repetitive information. Absolute cell references. If you don't want a cell reference to change when you copy a formula, make it an absolute reference by typing a $sign before each part of the reference that you don't want to change. For example, $A$1 always refers to cell A1. To ensure accuracy and simplify updates, enter constant values in a cell and then use absolute references to them in formulas. Mixed cell references. A mixed cell reference is either an absolute row and relative column or absolute column and relative row. You add the dollar before the column letter to create an absolute column or before the row number to create an absolute row. For example, $A1 is absolute for column A and relative row 1, and $1 is absolute for row 1 and relative for column A. Functions. A function is a predefined formula that performs calculations using specific values, called arguments, in a particular order. Parts of a function. Each function has a specific order that called syntax which must be strictly followed for the function to work correctly. Syntax order. Each function has its own syntax which specifies how it must be written. The general syntax of a function is an equal sign followed by the function name, an opening parenthesis, the function arguments, and a closing parenthesis. An example of a function with one argument that adds a range of cells A3 through A9. An example of a function with more than one argument that calculates the sum of two cells ranges. Function name, such as sum and average, describes the operation the function performs. Arguments specify the cell range or cell reference that is enclosed in parentheses. If there is more than one argument, separate each by a comma.